Hello guys, welcome to Sunny Friday. This is second part of my video. Let's do the 11 to 20 part. Subscribe, like, share and comment down below. 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. Day 12, 34, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78, 91, 104, 113, 130. 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 136, 140, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 130, 135, 150, 16, 32, 38, 64, 80, 96, 112, 188, 144, 160. 34, 51, 68, 85, 102, 119, 136, 153, 170. Get it good. 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 136, 144, 162, 180. 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, 162, 180, and 190. Last one. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 180, 140, 160, 180, 200. Yeah! Is coming soon. I will tell you the secret for answering all the numbers. This is the end of my video. forget to like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye. Goodbye.